Hello, there is some noise. Why? 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 Hello, there is some noise. Why the fuck there is some noise? Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. So we'll start with, I hope everything is fine on the stream. Hello, hello. Okay, everything looks fine as of now. So what we are going to do is like today we'll start with, I hope everything is fine on this low level system. Hello, hello. Okay, everything looks fine as of now. So what we are going to do is like today we'll start with, I hope everything is fine. So there is this problem that we have, MediTrack clinic appointment. So what we'll do, we'll get this MediTrack clinic appointment management system. Okay, this is our project, and I need to add some post on this one that I'm back after so many days, so maybe people are not aware that I'm back. So today we'll not solve lead code, instead we'll do some actual Java practice. I'm back. Streaming live right now. Okay, let's post. Streaming live right now. If somebody is there, you can ping me. Okay. uh to the question, like this is I'll quickly explain. Like this is a project that I have decided. It's consider it as an assignment and I have to do. It is simple MediTrack clinic appointment, doctor patient appointment kind of project, and that we have to do uh, for understanding low level system design to with the depth knowledge. Like I have been watching some videos on LLD, doing some lectures and all, but I haven't used it yet directly. So the whole point is now to get hands on this, and this is the appropriate assignment for this. So I'll quickly go through it and read about doing some lectures and all, but okay. So MediTrack is a modular object-oriented classic appointment management system implemented in core Java. So we note that we have to use only core Java here. We don't have to use anything, any other concept, but the core Java. Okay. The system models like patient, okay, doctor, appointments, and then billing. It is straightforward. Not so many things will be there code wise. Demonstrate strong OOP design, solid. Yeah, we must abide by OOP's design, solid principles, and standard Java features such as collection, exceptions, input output, and serialization, and optional advanced topics, concurrency, design patterns, cloning. This the project is ideal for mentees to practice Java fundamental architecture and collaboration documentation. Okay. On live streams, consistency do really matter, because yeah, I hope for the best. So expected project structure is this main constants, then constant Java, then these are the entities that we have to plan early: person, doctor, and patient. So I can quickly think of these three. Like person is extended by doctor and a patient. So this is like inheritance, and we can say is a relationship. Like doctor is a person, patient is a person. So then appointment, I haven't think of it yet. Bill and bill summary. Then services like doctor service, patient, and this. Then there will be validators, and main two things that I have to highlight is like id generator.java, then data store that we need to create. There will be no database, but the data store is like generic data store which will have hash maps and all. Then there are exception: appointment not found exception, then invalid data exception, searchable, payable interfaces. I'm not sure why this searchable and payable will use. Then docs report, JVM report. Currently I'm not sure exactly what this is. Setup instruction, design decisions. Okay. 2 to 3 minute walkthrough video. We can add it on the stream itself. So what we will do, we will directly start with this. Like there will be the first class, which is like person. Please use good handwriting. I'm not a doctor. So person is a class. Ish. Straight lines, bro. Straight lines. Straight lines. Straight lines. Person. Then there is doctor. Doctor extending it, and then there is patient. Okay, so this doctor, there is this patient. I need good handwriting, that's for sure. Okay, so there are these two relationships. What's the sound? ठीक है. So what is this relationship? This is a relationship. This is a relationship. Okay. Nobody has joined. I think people are not interested in learning low level system design. So person, it is a generalized relationship, or we can say a association relation. Okay, so I'm taking help of ChatGPT in between. So so this is basically inheritance. Okay, and what all things that a person will have? Person will have name, person will have age, person will have contact number, and person, wait, straight lines only. A person will have ID, a person will have ID, a person will have name, a person will have age, a person will have contact number, and a person will have an email. Okay, then what about doctor? Doctor will have some specialization and maybe fees. Okay, what about patient will have apart from these symptoms? Patient will have symptoms. Okay, this will be of type enum. Symptoms also may be of type enum and not string. Feces number, this number. Okay, so what kind of relationship is this? It told me ChatGPT that this is nobody is watching. People will come. Stay calm. Association, aggregation, and composition. So, is inheritance composition? What kind of relationship is inheritance in Java? In Java, inheritance is a relationship that means subclass. Oh, is it a? I mean, is it association, aggregation, or composition relationship? In Java, association fall under category of has a acha, while strictly is a relationship. Okay, so what we will do, uh, so what we will do, we will just what we will do, uh, we will just build this thing only. So we will build this only this much. We'll call this as phase 1, simple phase 1, because I haven't used intelligence, so IntelliJ, so I'll be using this for the first time. this is so this is love. So this is love. It's saying do not select spring initializer. Let me give this. So this is love. Create. So this is our project created. Now it's saying Sorry, I got distracted. Sorry, I just got an text message. Uh, Back to what we were doing. So yeah, this was the assignment that we have to do, and I've created person like the design I have imagined: person, doctor, and then patient. Person will be class extended by doctor and patient. So this doctor and patient will be a relationship with person. So doctor is a person, patient is a person, and person will have all this. Doctor will also have its own ID. Everybody will have its own ID. Okay. So and patient will also have its own ID. Planning, yeah, planning phase. I have to break it down in multiple stages, like what I have imagined. These many entities are there. So first I'll create these three because these are the starting point. Then I'll do some logic for appointment. Bill and Java I'll do at the end. So it is the output of whatever we are inputting. So then there will be services. Uh, Doctor service, patient service, and appointment service. It will be a simple console application, so nothing much on the application side. This thing is what I have to implement: data store and ID generator. Okay, so that's why I was saying everybody will have its own ID. Initially we'll add manual ID, but then this will be like auto. Suddenly my handwriting खराब हो जाता है. Auto generated. Okay, same for this. Auto generated. There will be no DB नहीं होगा. We'll use data store. We will use data store, local data store. ठीक है, temporary. अब इंटेलिजे मैंने कभी यूज़ नहीं किया है, तो इंटेलिजे यूज़ करते हैं. आई हैव क्रिएटेड अ प्रोजेक्ट. आई एम टेकिंग हेल्प ऑफ ChatGPT over here in this one, how to create project, and go to SRC, and this is the structure that I want. It will have one main .java. Our project doesn't have a main. Does our project have a main? Do I have to create a main first? Go to SRC, right click, new package. This new package, like this. Is it yeah, planning phase. Nowadays this has become very important, so I said why not. So person, SRC main Java com a drive MediTrack. So this is love. So this is love. मैं बहुत ही कोने में हूँ क्या कैमरा के. मेन SRC मेन अपने प्रोजेक्ट में. यार I need this in a separate tab. So this will go in this one. This we don't actually need it right now, so like this only will do. So अभी क्या है अपने पास SRC में कॉम दिस मेन कहाँ होगा अपना. Where will be main? Do we really need main? Yes, you absolutely need this console application. Yeah, main inside SRC. So in this one, I guess we'll need Java class main dot Java main only. Do you want to add following to Git? Yeah, add. I at this point don't know IntelliJ, so I'll struggle a little while exploring this IntelliJ. My go-to compiler application was VS Code. I have been using VS Code for 4 years, never used IntelliJ, so pardon me if I'm taking some time while figuring out how to create new file, how to create new package, where to right click, where is git, where is terminal, everything. So bear with me while I'm moving ahead. So my first goal will be to create entity folder, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, entity folder. So how to create a folder in this one? Java, or there is a package inside package, or how is it? Main is like क्या बोलता है चैट जीपीटी बोले है कि बनाओ, तुम बनाओ, ये बनाया अपन ने. इसमें फोल्डर नहीं होता क्या? मतलब नॉर्मली हम फोल्डर क्रिएट करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल इन दिस वन इफ देयर इज नो फोल्डर ऑप्शन, फोल्डर नहीं, डायरेक्ट पैकेज है. Am I right? Am I wrong? So क्या है? तो अभी फॉर एग्जांपल मैं सीधा जाके एंटिटी क्रिएट करता हूँ. फॉर एग्जांपल हियर न्यू क्लास entity dot person, if this is the correct way to create. Oh, okay, yeah, it created this. fine. So main के अंदर अपने को चाहिए, yeah, undo bro, what the fuck is wrong with you? main के अंदर चाहिए public static void पब्लिक स्टैटिक वॉइड क्या होता है भाई वो? ये तो, और इसको अपने को देना है string args and we'll simply write system dot out, क्या होता है out dot print. Okay, so maybe we'll simply give this sheet is working. Okay, so then अरे दे वो डिलीट हो गया क्या? जावा क्लास एंटिटी के अंदर चाहिए पर्सन क्लास पी कैपिटल या ऐड ब्रो एवरीथिंग ऐड टू गिट, डोंट आस्क मी अगेन एंड अगेन. सो अपन ने क्या सोचा हुआ था कि इसको क्या क्या रहेगा पर्सन को. पर्सन विल हैव इनिशियली विल टेक आईडी एज इंट private int id, private string, yes, capital string name, then private integer age, then again private private string email, and then private string contact number. Okay, so we need copilot here, that I understood. Without copilot it will be difficult to understand everything fast. Where the fuck is copilot here? AI chat, is it copilot? AI assistant, generate code from descriptions, AI assistant, code with me. What is this? Start a session. Oh, start end-to-end encrypted collaboration session, share a link and work together on this project with your teammates. Oh really, can we do this? If I share this link in the chat, there's no one to chat, so let it be. Do you guys know like how to use AI? Let's see a video, na? What's wrong in that? What's wrong in that? Let's see a video. How to, ये भाई क्या हो गया अब इसको क्या हो गया भाई? कहाँ हुआ रे गुड वक्त? कीबोर्ड काहे बंद हो गया? अच्छा, I was writing here. हेलो हेलो, हाँ बोलना. घरी है काम आते, बोलना. बोल बोल लवकर बोल, काय झालं? हाँ हो ठीक है. Sorry again. So this is what I was searching. How to use Copilot with IntelliJ.
IDEs. Let me show you how it works. Let's start with code completion. If I write a comment or start writing a function, Copilot can step in and suggest code completion options for me. This suggestion looks
The fuck. बे साला 2 मिनिट खाली ठेवले इयरफोन तर लगेच डिस्कनेक्ट होऊन जाते काय.
good, so I can hit tab to accept it. If I highlight text, this Copilot chat icon will appear. If I click it, inline a descriptive comment. There's also this my code bin responder and tasks easier. I can select my favorite AI model for this task and send the request. I can also use the app project context, which will provide my entire code base to Copilot, which is super helpful when I'm searching for certain functionality without knowing the code base too well. Now let me swap.
How to use Claude maybe. I have seen people like
Copilot is available in JetBrains IDEs. Let me show you how it works. Let's start with code completion. If I write a comment or start writing a function, Copilot can step.
Which is better, if anyone of you knows which is better? Not JetBrains with IntelliJ. Oh, it's a JetBrains.
बेटा ब्रेकफास्ट में फ्रूट्स
नहीं, oats,
आमंड्स
seeds,
ये सब और रागी, wheat, corn, raisins, blackcurrants, cranberries.
इतना सारा
बस 12. Kellogg's Muesli है 12 grains, fruits, nuts and seeds वाला power breakfast. Kellogg's Muesli, 12 in 1 power breakfast.
So you just mentioned that you want to learn Python. So do not learn Python in manual way in 2025, because learning Python in manual way will take
new plugins, these extensions.
And our mission here for you is to kind of unpack what these IDE integrations.
Coding tools already around.
It did, yeah. The initial
Main workspace, their IDE.
I've seen
installed on your
people
machine,
using
maybe you used and I don't know read for that platform
Back and forth to the terminal.
text.
Administration.
maybe I'll simply use Copilot. I'm very much aware with the Copilot, so we'll install a plugin. Is it the same?
To edit mode. In edit
Show me how
mode,
to
Copilot will make
install-
changes
how to
directly
install-
to
what
files
is this?
from this
Copilot
chat window. I can add a
inline
prompt
chat, code
and then add a
completion,
working
Copilot
set.
is available. अरे यार available, but how to install?
Copilot is available in Jet completion. Suggest code to accept will appear. Specific insert. In ask mode, I can ask questions.
Where are plugins? Plugins कहाँ होते हैं? Does anybody know where are the plugins? Find, debug, hierarchy, learn, to do, commit, code, plugin, create IntelliJ idea, create, install a अबे install a plugin. Install a plugin. Shit. Or sign in. I don't will sign in with the GitHub. Don't see my password. Yeah. Give all personal data. No issues. Enter your name. Rohit Monday. Create account. Get JetBrains. Say no bro, I don't want this. I want GitHub Copilot. these YouTube videos are shit. How to use, मैंने how to use डाला तो use ही बताया, install करने का नहीं बताया. How to install Copilot with IntelliJ. Replit agent, the AI powered assistant that builds your app for GitHub Copilot. Yeah.
Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to set up a IDEA IDE. Just open IntelliJ IDEA
Indian videos ही help करते हैं भाई, बाकी
and go to settings, and in settings you'll be having the plugins option. Select it.
Settings, then भाई गलत चार्ट मत लिखो, वो डिसअपियर हो जाता है. प्लीज डोंट. Okay. Oh, there are so many. JetBrains Academy. What is this JetBrains Academy? Access under no Python. JetBrains AI assistant, GitHub Copilot, your AI pair programmer. Yeah, we want this third-party plugin. The plugin are coming from JetBrains. GitHub installing plugins, running application plugins get the same permission as the IDE process itself. Only proceed if you trust plugins. You are also advised to check the plugin vendor's documentation for details on how the vendor can process your personal data. We don't care about our personal data. JetBrains is not responsible for any behavior. चलना आपको मत सिखा. बहुत कुछ है भाई इसमें. स्प्रिंग बूट, लेट्स सी इमेजेस. यही चाहिए अपने को ना. अप्लाई एंड ओके. लेट इट इंस्टॉल. I'll order some milk. I want cow milk. Late night fees, this fees, that fees. How many fees? Just a minute. I'll be back. it opened. Yeah, I can see. Sign in. Yeah, sign in. You also need personal data. Use personal data. Unsupported Git version. Unsupported Git version 2. At least configure. ऐसे बड़े इंटेलिजेंट कंपाइलर में यही सब इशू होता है. Unsupported Git version 2.15 at least. यार, how to update Git on MacBook using terminal. Let's try terminal. I hope my terminal is visible. Git help. Then we'll need Git version. It's said 2.15, which is the wrong version. So git update. Is there any command like git update? The most similar is git update ref. Set brew update. And then brew install. If git is already installed, brew update git. So now what's the git version? Hey, it's still 2.15, bro. It's upgrading. पहली बारी में क्यों नहीं किया इसने ये फिर? Nivea fresh power fruit. I want this. Nivea fresh power fruit. Nobody is texting today, so weird. See this. Can you see my mobile? So in this one, to avoid customers searching, like copying this name from the search bar of Swiggy Instamart and put it in somewhere else, like for example Blinkit, they have restricted, like you can't go and select the text and copy paste. They are thinking at so cheap level. Yeah, I can't select the text. No issues. I'll write the name, buddy. Let's say Blinkit has the same thing. Nivea fresh fruit. What the name? Power fruit. Power fruit. Nah. Shower gel. Powering, boost, removing. Now it's upgrading. Stack Overflow still works. Best. हो जा भाई अपडेट, इतना गिट अपडेट के लिए इतना क्यों टाइम ले रहा है? नेट डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया क्या? इज नेट वर्किंग? ओके गूगल, इट्स वर्किंग. Let it install. Yeah, you don't need to understand, just keep quiet. Okay. Hi, I can see you are working on person class in your MediTrack project. Looking at your current implementation, your da 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 da. चल बाप को मत सिखा. ठीक है भाई. So we need a constructor, public person, and there is a shortcut now to create AI actions. Add your prompts, paste, go to my teacher used to use something, GitHub Copilot, open chat, add files, git add no, open and generate, yeah, generate constructor, yeah, select all. He used to select all, yeah, nice. Why there is so not linked to private field IDs assigned but never accessed. So to access we need getters and setters, so we'll add, where was the option, generate getter and setter of all. Okay, now the error is gone. Okay, nice. Person class is ready. Now we have to use person in, we need doctor. So yeah, add. So person will extend doctor will extend our person class. Okay, and person will have ID, yeah. So what is the error? There are no R constructor available. Yeah, constructor, we need a constructor, generate constructor, select none, yeah, error gone. Now what was the property that we wanted to have for doctor? So what was the property? Specialization and fees. So specialization will be private private enum. How to write enum in Java? Specialization, yeah. Okay, this works for now, but we'll separate this specialization somewhere else. And then fees, right? So private int or float or double or float fees. Okay, yeah, continue this, then yeah, this, and then yeah, public float, yeah, this, then yeah, this, set fees, then give me suggestion, public get fees, set fees. Okay, then getter, setter, generate. I'm liking this. Getter, no fields without getter, yeah. There's enum can't be set. Why this? So is there way compare with clipboard format option? Refactor. Usually control shift I or Control Shift TF. No, it's a find. Then there is new class called patient. पेशेंट में आई पहले आता है, ई पहले आता है भाई. I need to start from basics, from first standard. PATIENT. Yeah, add bro, add. Don't worry. You keep adding. And what we had for person, symptoms, ID is there. So symptoms will be of type, multiple symptoms can be there, it can't be enum. This is wrong. This is wrong. This will be of type, this will be of type, oh shit, अरे यार क्या हो गया. This will be of type list of string. Okay, so इसको अपने को बनाना है private list of string and अरे कैप्स लॉक क्यों चालू हो गया. सिम्टम्स की स्पेलिंग मैं नहीं देख रहा भाई. सही तो सही नहीं, गलत तो गलत. सिम्टम्स क्या है ये से. अरे हाँ रे, वो यूज कितना एरर देता है भाई ये लिखते लिखते ही. सो पब्लिक पेशेंट अभी चलाना भाई, इंटेलिजेंस. देन पब्लिक पेशेंट. अब इसमें चाहिए अपने को लिस्ट ऑफ स्ट्रिंग. इसका नाम होगा सिम्टम्स. एंड देन this dot symptoms is equal to symptoms. Okay, and then get public list get symptoms, return symptoms, and then public void set symptoms, set list of symptoms. This ये green क्यों दे रहा है भाई यहाँ पे. In the word symptoms type or rename to symptoms. Yeah, all. Select all. Yeah. Thank you. IntelliJ is intelligent. That's for sure. Extend कौन करेगा, हमार बाप या तुम्हार बाप. Person. Okay. सो ये तीनों क्लास बन गए. ये तीनों क्लास बन चुके हैं. अब क्या. नाउ नेक्स्ट व्हाट. नेक्स्ट वी हैव wait, instead of creating these 3 more entities, what we will do, we will create a doctor service and a patient service. But even before, we'll do data store, doctor service and patient service. So what a doctor service should do. Now we need a method. Listen this very carefully. Now we'll do like phase 2. This will be phase 2. Okay. So in the phase 2, what we will do, we create a doctor service. From this doctor, we'll create a doctor service. What will this doctor service do? So this doctor service will do add a doctor. Simple CRUD operation like delete a doctor देन व्हाट, एडिट वगैरह सब कुछ हम बाद में देखेंगे. इट्स नॉट दैट नेसेसरी, सो I'll write it in black because black doesn't matter. So edit, ठीक है. Add is this, then delete. So doctor service. But you know what, why I said we need to create data store with this? Because you can't add doctor directly. For this to happen, we need data store of type T. Okay, so we have to create a generic बाबा माझा अक्षर, generic data store हमें क्रिएट करना है. अब जेनरिक डेटा स्टोर कैसे? वी आर नॉट यूजिंग DB, इफ यू रिमेंबर दिस. सो वी विल यूज हैश मैप और मे बी सिंपल क्या होता है भाई, array list. So we'll see, we are going to create this data store for the first time. So we'll see how a generic data store will be created. I am also going to create this for the first time. So I need this JPA का repository. कहाँ गया? Java सब कुछ है पर Java नहीं है. Java learning इधर काहे को गया भाई? Java learning इधर चाहिए हमारे को. इधर आ जा Java learning. Spring Boot documentation is the, so कहाँ है? स्प्रिंग का डॉक्यूमेंटेशन खोल के बैठा है गधा. अपने को चाहिए था इसका डॉक्यूमेंटेशन भाई, जावा का डॉक्यूमेंटेशन. जावा डॉक्यूमेंटेशन. कलेक्शन चाहिए अपने को. अब कलेक्शन में क्या क्या होता है? इटरेबल कलेक्शन चाहिए अपने को. अब इटरेबल कलेक्शन में क्या क्या होता है भाई? इटरेबल क्या क्या है? इंटरफेस इटरेबल एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं. ऑल नोन abstract list, abstract this इटरेटर, ये वो, ठीक है. अपने को चाहिए सिंपल, सीधी सिंपल बात. ऐक झोप येते मला. Is there a map? हैश मैप किस में आता है भाई? लोग ड्रॉप कर रहे तो मेरे को मज़ा नहीं आ रहा भाई सॉल्व करने में. कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछ रहा, कुछ नहीं. क्या बोरिंग सा सेशन चल रहा है आज. bro, sorry. Bro, I need someone like people disturbing in between. Maybe I'm becoming a rat of that. Sorry. Yeah. No, I completed phase 1, so I thought I can take a break. So data store, back to this. I have to create two things. One is doctor service within a service, and then a data store inside util. So I'll go and I'll create services, service or services, service dot doctor service. Yeah, add it. Thanks for pointing out at the rate. भाई ये बंदा आके बस मेरे को बता के जा रहा है don't get distracted when I'm back on track. He like leaves. No issue. Doctor service. Then in the util we need util dot data store. Add. अब इसमें जेनेरिक्स पढ़ना पड़ेगा फिर से अपने को. हाउ टू क्रिएट जेनेरिक क्लास इन जावा. Generics means parameterized types. They allow us to write code that works with the different data types. Why use generics before Java collection like array list? So any type of object, everything was treated as an object. It had some problems. If you add a string to a list, Java didn't remember its type. You had to manually cast it when retrieving. If the type was wrong, it caused a runtime error. With generics, you can specify the type the collection will hold, like array list string. Now Java knows what to expect and checks at compile time. Okay, in this one maybe what Copilot will surely help. So data store of type T, then maybe we'll know array list or a hash map. Oh, what we'll do, we'll go and create a thing which is like a method public create what it will take. It will take doctor. So we need how to add this dependency of data store in Java. How can I create a local data store in Java? The data store provides store object with an id, key, get, delete, get all. Hash map, the data, public data store, hash map. Nobody's watching today, so I am really upset now. Think I should close here data store and phase 2. I'll come back. मी परत येणार उद्या. 95 minutes is enough. So bye bye.